So what does it mean to use technology more purposefully for learning? Well, it's about using technology not only because it's available, because it's there, because it's cool, but because it actually makes the learning more effective for our learners. We can think about all of the technologies that we have at our fingertips that we use every day. The things we use to connect and collaborate and share and discover and consume information and all of it, right? There's so many things. And what research tells us is that learning is most effective when it's A, generative. So learners are creating, they're making, they're having experiences and they're constructing meaning from them. And B, when learning is spaced out over time, that it's not only concentrated injections, but that there are many touch points and there are loops in between the different learning moments. And technology then is really useful to us because we can do both of those things more effectively. We can make learning generative because we can use all of those tools, put them in the hands of our learners, and have them be makers, be producers, bring their ideas to life in all sorts of ways. And then spacing because we can get learning out of the traditional classroom and we can spread it out. And we can use online forums and tools for meeting and tools for co-creation and collaboration to have learning be something that is happening over a longer period and not only in a short and confined box. So think about how can you use technology in more purposeful ways and make your learning more generative and more spaced out in service of whatever you are trying to achieve with and for your learners. So good luck, let us know how it goes, and if you're curious to hear more, you can check out our principles for 21st century learning at colearn.education.